Good morning. My name is Shelton Dominic Jr. and I'm a student in Miss Rose's 5th grade class. I have had an interesting 5 years here at Hoover Elementary School. One of my favorite field trips at Hoover Elementary School was when we went to Cal Berkeley to tour the college campus, and we went into the museum and saw the T-Rex dinosaur. I also like the library there. One thing I will always remember is when I had to do a speech on Gary Morgan, who invented the traffic light for the Black History Assembly in 5th grade. My first year at Hoover, I was nervous because I didn't know anybody, but as the years passed, I became friends with my peers and faculty. I would like to give an appreciation to my teachers, my family, my friends, and my family for not giving up on me and believing in me. I thank you for your support, although I didn't believe at the time. I thank you and congratulations to my fellow graduates. Thank you.